What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we got a quick video. Well, it's quick for you. I'm gonna have to edit it out. We're taking the Daily Driver HHR to the drag strip. So let's go. Alright guys, so before we get started, shameless plug, if you guys can, hit like, hit subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Haven't taken the Daily Driver HHR to the track in its current form yet. It's fully bolted on. We have a new clutch. The EFR 7163 is in, and we have a tune from Tune Time. It's all ready to go. Trying to get a couple of runs in for the Waka King of the North competition coming this Friday, and I just wanted to get some practice, honestly. The weather when I left was beautiful, and as I'm approaching Islands Dragway, it is it's actually starting to drizzle. All right, well, anyway, we're about to get a couple of runs in, hopefully, and see what this thing can do. that didn't go as planned. Finally got the car to the track. Shit, that sucked. Leaving the track now, my tail between my legs. The car's best time was like a 15 flat. 15 flat, my God. So that's awful. Having some small issues with the transmission. It doesn't want to shift very easily into gear. I don't know what that's about. I don't know how to fix it. I have to look into that now. Also, my 60-foot times were not very good. I think I'm just a shitty driver. Can't really figure that one out either. Anyway, that's it for now. I gotta go rethink my life after those runs. My God. Jeez. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Peace.